This week I'm behind the wheel of the refreshed 2017 Acura MDX. This three-row luxury SUV has a new look on the outside and the inside, and there's a new powertrain option. We'll take it for a spin next on this week's Car Pro Test Drive. This week I bring you the refreshed 2017 Acura MDX that's sporting a new front end and more standard features this year. Also new for 2017, the MDX is now available in a hybrid version. This Alabama-built 7-passenger SUV is one of the best-selling SUVs in America that has a third-row seat. Looking under the hood, we have the tried-and-true Honda 3.5-liter V6, and mated to that is a 9-speed automatic transmission. Together they produce 290 horses, which is very pleasing in an SUV this size. Acceleration is strong, and I love the way the 9-speed transmission shifts. Unlike many of the 8 and 9-speed transmissions I've tested, you never feel like it's searching for the right gear. This MDX is a two-wheel drive, but you can get it in a super handling all-wheel drive system, although you lose just a little bit of fuel economy, but the handling of the all-wheel SUV is fantastic. The MDX comes nicely equipped, and for 2017 there are 3 packages that you can add: the Advanced, the Entertainment, and the Tech package. My review vehicle has all 3. The Tech package gives you a navigation system, AccuReleak with real-time traffic info, remote start, rear camera, and blind spot monitoring. The Entertainment package gives you a massive rear DVD player with wireless headphones and a 12-speaker sound system. The Advanced package gets you leather sport seats that are cooled and heated, a heated steering wheel, parking sensors, heated second row seat, fog lights, and rear door shades. Together, all 3 packages add roughly $12,500 to the base price. Acura has stepped up their game on interiors. As soon as you open the door, you're greeted by a very clean and a very plush interior. All materials are soft to the touch and very inviting. As you sit behind the wheel, the dash is well laid out with the tachometer on the left, speedometer on the right, and a driver information system in the middle. Scroll through the info and functions on the steering wheel. In the center console, you'll find a push-button transmission, which was very quick for me to get used to. The bonus to the transmission buttons is a clean look and a massive amount of storage in the console. If you're a cubby person, MDX is the SUV for you. Also on the console, I immediately turn off the start-stop feature, and you'll find the IDS button, which stands for Integrated Dynamics System. It allows you to switch from comfort to normal to sport that completely changes the steering, shift patterns, and the sound of the MDX. Above the center console, you'll find 2 color screens. I've heard some people complain about this, but actually I like it. I keep the navigation map on the top screen, which is operated by a large round dial and a row of buttons on both sides. Then you operate the audio, air conditioning, etc. from the lower screen, which is a touch screen. The 2 screens operate independent of each other and actually complement each other. Now the back seat is spacious with a pull-down center console, or you can seat 3 adults without any issues. One push of a button on the side of the rear seat and you have easy access to the back seat. This is the easiest way to get to the third row seat I've ever seen. Bear in mind, this third row seat is primarily for children, not adults. Most people leave it folded down for cargo room, which is more than ample, and you actually have quite a bit of room with the third row seat up. Standard features at no charge include power tailgate, 20-inch wheels, push button start, keyless entry, Bluetooth, a Pandora interface, a power moonroof, brake hold, and power tilt steering wheel. For 2017, Acura Watch becomes standard equipment on the MDX and offers terrific safety features like adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, road departure mitigation, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. Driving dynamics of the MDX are exceptional, and this SUV is actually a ton of fun to drive. Interior quietness is terrific, and depending on the IDS mode you choose, You can have a soft luxury ride or a much firmer and sportier ride. There's a distinct difference between all three drive modes. Fuel economy is good at 20 in town and 27 on the highway for an overall rating of 23. Actually got a little better fuel mileage on the highway when the V6 cuts down to 3 cylinders. The MDX also offers one of the best warranties in the industry with 6 years or 70,000 miles on the powertrain, 4 years and 50,000 miles bumper to bumper. MSRP is $57,340, which is less than I would have expected for an SUV equipped with all the technology, performance, and safety features of the 2017 MDX. As I always say on the air, Honda quality and Acura luxury is an unbeatable combination. Thanks for riding along with us today for another Car Pro Test Drive this week, featuring the 2017 Acura MDX.